Cornell Ruffian Equine Specialists is a full-service equine hospital located directly across the street from Belmont Racetrack. We provide 24/7 emergency coverage. For example, that may involve treating medical colics, colic surgery, which frequently happens odd hours of the night on the emergency basis, fracture repair, elective orthopedics with arthroscopy and standing airway surgeries, standing tiebacks. We do tie forward surgery. There's a huge variety of services that we offer here, and we do full lameness evaluations. We have a standing MRI. So once we have a lameness localized, we frequently end up doing some advanced imaging. That may be a standing MRI, that may be bone scan. We try to target every aspect of the equine need as much as possible, both from a surgical and a medical standpoint. So having that kind of access in this caliber of facility in that kind of proximity to the track is incredibly important. Having fast access to advanced veterinary care is paramount to making sure that these horses get the treatment they need quickly so we can get them on the road to recovery. We have a high-speed treadmill at Ruffian. On the treadmill, we can exercise a horse at speed in their regular gait. It allows us to put a dynamic scope up their nose and actually evaluate the function of their airway while they're moving. And there are a lot of issues that only manifest at speed. One of the research focuses at Cornell Ruffian is looking at different ways that we can promote equine safety, thoroughbred safety, and prevention of more significant injuries or breakdown injuries in thoroughbreds. Cornell Ruffian is part of Cornell University. The mission that we are trying to achieve is clinical excellence, day in and day out, providing the most top level care to our local patients every single day. And we're constantly looking at newer imaging modalities too to make sure that we continue to offer the most cutting edge and innovative ways to diagnose equine and thoroughbred ailments.